Hello! Today we're going to make natural frames for a favorite picture that you have. I think it helps to find the picture first, and then you can decide what you want to look for. If you have little stones or sticks or little cones that you want to use on your picture. So once you have your picture, I'm going to do this picture as my example, and I'm going to glue some grasses onto it. So I have a few different grasses, and you can either use white glue or hot glue for this. If you're using hot glue, just make sure you have an adult to help you if you need help, and we'll get gluing. If you want to have a different color behind your picture to kind of help with the frame, it makes it a little sturdier. I recommend doing that before you start gluing your little things around. So I'm going to use a glue stick and just glue this on here. Alright, once you have your paper glued on, if you're going to have a different color behind the picture, you can kind of lay your objects out that you want to use. I think it's helpful to just get an idea of how you want to do it before you start gluing. So lay them out, and once you have them laid out, then you can glue them on one piece at a time. Okay, once you're done, you just want to let it dry. And if you use hot glue, you want to get off any of those little glue strings. If you have a magnet that you want to put on the back, so you can hang this on your refrigerator, that's a fun way to hang it. You could also glue a little string on the back and then have a hanger and put it on your wall. So this is just a simple way to bring some nature into your house and add a really nice frame around one of your favorite pictures. All right, thanks for joining me today. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.